Hi everyone, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. So I'm going to show you 3 ways you can prep and prime your press-on nails. Now the first step is you always want to file off this little bit right here that was left on from the mold. So that is always step 1, get rid of that. It looks really messy when you complete a nail set and that is left on. So step 1 is to remove that, which I already did on these 3 nails. All right, so now the reason you want to prep and prime your nails and not just go straight in with polish or even base coat is because if you just paint directly on this smooth, shiny surface, you're risking your polish peeling off. And that is something we definitely do not want. So that is why you need to prep and prime before you paint. Okay, so for the first nail, we are going to use the most common method of prepping, which is to just buff that shine off the surface. And you want to make sure you get the entire nail and get rid of basically that smooth shine. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and then I'm just going to use the smoother end here to kind of smooth out the scratches. So that is your first method, and you are obviously going to have to wipe off the dust with some alcohol. So let me do that. All right, and that is the first way that you can prep a nail. So the second way you can prep the nail is to use 100% acetone, and I put some in a little dampened dish here, and then you're just going to use a clean brush to dip it in your acetone and then rub it into the nail, okay, till it starts to feel sticky on top. Now, these next 2 methods, this one and the next one, are really only going to work with gel nails, not plastic, because the acetone doesn't really break down plastic nails and won't make it sticky. And also you can see here, the nail is kind of getting this like white hue to it from the acetone. And also keep in mind that acetone is meant to break down the gel. So this might be weakening the overall structure of the nail. I don't necessarily recommend acetone, but I do know this is what some people use to prep. Now, the last way and the way I prep and prime my nails is by using Young Nails Protein Bond. This stuff is liquid gold in a bottle. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need a lot per nail. And this is how I do it. So you just brush excess off and then make sure you cover the whole nail with it until it feels a little bit sticky, till the brush starts to feel like a little bit sticky on top of the nail. And then that's it. And now I would just go straight in with my polish for this one. I would not use a base coat. For the acetone and the etched nail, I would still use a base coat before you polish, just to ensure adhesion. But with using Young Nails Protein Bond, I have never had an issue with the polish peeling off. And that's it. It is the fastest way to prep. Etching would be the longest. It takes forever to etch every single nail. So definitely recommend getting yourself some Protein Bond. But like I said, it will mainly work with gel nails. So I'm using Aprés, the Aprés Gel X. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it will help you out in your press-on journey. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks, bye.